So, the live has just started. So my student will pass their TOEFL exam in a couple of days. And I asked my student to make the structure of the exam. Actually, I was hoping that you would keep that in your mind and not all of this, like a little shorter, but what I see is pretty mathematical and a bit complicated. I still want to challenge you, like, what could you remember? Please just put it away for a second.
Okay.
Yeah, all right, thank you. So could you please tell me how many main sections do we have?
We have 4 sections, reading, listening, speaking, and writing.
Excellent, excellent. You remember that much. Nice. So in the first section, how many texts will you have? Do you remember that much?
Text, 2 texts.
Perfect. In the
Uh,
past, we had much more, like 4 or 5, but now it's has gotten easier just to text. Yeah, you wanted to say something else? What was that?
yeah, with 10 questions each.
Brilliant. You remember that. Yes, excellent. So this knowledge will give you some self-confidence and control because you'll see the numbers on top. Okay, this is question 4. I still have 6 more questions. Brilliant. Now, do you have anything else to add regarding the reading section? Now you can look up your notes if you want to. But that much is enough in terms of, the reading section.
This is the contents.
Uh-huh.
This is the question they will ask.
Well, I'm not able to read it, to be honest. It's too small and I cannot zoom in, actually. Inference. Oh, question types.
Yeah, the question
Well,
types.
yeah, we don't need, you don't need to memorize this,
Yeah.
So why did you write this down?
This is just for me.
Okay. If it's just out of curiosity, fine. Yeah, sure.
Mhm.
But we don't need that technical part. You just know you'll have questions. You have practiced these questions for several months, so you're good. Now, put that away, please. Now, the second section was...
The second one was listening.
How many audio materials you'll have to work with?
Oh, there were 5.
Perfect.
Yeah.
How many questions should we expect in each?
It was very specific. 5, 6, 5, 6, like 20. It was around 30. 20.
Around 30.
Yeah, but 20 something.
Okay, yes, between 25 and 30. In each reading section, you'd expect to have 5 to 6 questions normally. Yeah. I think that's good enough. And yes, like when the timer is ticking, will you lose time when you're listening to the question, or it just freezes?
No, I don't lose time. The time freezes.
Perfect. Yes. So you shouldn't freak out when you see that timer and yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Do you have anything else to add regarding this section?
I should take around 1.5 minutes on each question.
Yes, that's a good strategy. So sometimes you have easier questions and with reading similarly. Yes, sometimes you just have one word, you need to choose the synonym, of the word. You can spend much less time, on those types of questions. And like we had some special questions. Do you remember what was special about these?
Special questions?
Yeah, I mean questions with which you can get more points, not just 1 point.
Um, I don't remember.
Okay, so you should be careful. You should read the instructions on the screen carefully. Sometimes you'll have two options to choose. Yeah. So those questions where you have to choose two correct answers, you will be able to earn 2 points. Yeah.
I know that in reading there is the last question has three right answers and 2
Uh-huh.
points.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
that's what I'm saying. Yes. In the reading section, you'll have two questions like that. Yeah.
Okay.
Cool. Anything else you'd like to add on the listening section, or we're done?
No, we're done.
All right. So what's your scrupulous notes regarding the listening section? You can show it if you'd like to. Let's see. That's okay. Question types again.
Yeah, just question
36
types.
minutes. Yeah, and the timing was there too. Yeah, 36 minutes, or what was that?
Yeah, 36.
Yes, good.
28 questions.
28 questions. Okay, so let's put that thing away. Yeah, you've done a great job actually, like with that much detail. You just need to be just like with your writing, you had the same issue. Yeah, you would write too much info and you would lose your time on it, and you wouldn't be able to give a nice sound conclusion. Yeah, you weren't able to
Yeah.
come up with that. So just be aware of that. Now, the third section is
It was speaking, I think.
it was speaking. That's correct.
Yeah.
How many questions will you have?
4 questions.
Mhm. So
Uh,
what should you, yeah, go on.
I don't remember the time.
So, yeah, times vary. Do you remember like approximately how many minutes or seconds should you expect for getting ready and for answering?
Um, uh, I remember it ranged from 20 seconds to 30 seconds.
Yes, I would say from 15 seconds to 30 seconds in terms of preparation, and from 20 seconds to a full minute in terms of speaking. Yeah.
Yeah.
So in the speaking section, should you expect to answer only questions about like, do you agree or disagree? What do you think about, or there is something else as well?
Well, that's only the first question. The other questions are campus related and academic things.
Cool, cool. So should you expect to maybe hear something or not?
Yeah, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
So,
in
yeah, go
in
on.
second and third question, I think the last one is only a lecture, so that's listening as well. Yeah,
Uh,
yeah, a lot of listening.
brilliant. Lots of listening. Very good. Yes. So in case if you have listening plus text, what your strategy should be?
Um, Note taking. That's
Note
very,
taking. Yes.
yeah.
And while answering, what
I
should you
have
do?
to link the passage and the listening together.
Yes. So you should make it clear while speaking. Yeah.
Yeah,
So the lady said this. We also read
uh-huh.
that. Yeah. So you need to be able to demonstrate, like, where did you get that bit of info? Yeah.
Yeah, the same with writing.
Yes. And we're getting to writing if you don't have anything to add
Uh,
regarding this
no.
section. Okay. In your notes, what have you got?
Um, the question types, like
Aha. Okay. Okay.
independent and integrated.
Okay. Campus related. Yes. Yes. Conversation, passage, academic. Yes. Passage, lecture. Good. Good. Nice. Okay. Put it away. Don't. No, no, no. Don't consult your notes yet. Okay. So finally, writing. How
Yeah,
many writing tasks will you have?
2 tasks.
Mhm. I think by now you probably remember their names. You shouldn't, but
Um,
probably.
Integrated and academic discussion.
Yes, yes. So the first one, the integrated writing task. Could you please tell us what should we expect or what should you expect there?
Well, we first have to read a passage about a topic, and then
Yes.
it's a lecture.
Mhm,
Um,
mhm.
uh, we will not be able to hear the lecture afterwards, but we can consult the topic, the
The
passage.
text. Yeah, the
Uh-huh.
passage. Yes. So the timing, yeah, you'll have your automated timers.
Uh-huh.
The clock will tick. You'll have 3 minutes for reading, and the listening will be about 2 minutes and a half, I think. So
Uh-huh.
again, you're taking your notes. How are you going to control your note taking? What will you do to help yourself?
Well, I will separate the text and listening, so I know which is which.
Good. Yeah. Still help yourself with
Uh-huh.
something. Yeah. Mhm.
Uh-huh.
And when you're, taking notes on any topic, are you writing full sentences, full words,
Oh
or
no. No, no,
no?
I will lose time. I
No,
learned my
definitely.
lesson.
Yes. Good. 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 So short the notes to help yourself. You could even doodle. You could draw. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
With the listening section, will you have some visual material on the screen or not?
Visual material.
Hmm?
Um, I think they show pictures of the topics they talk about,
Yes, yes.
also the
Can that
words.
be helpful? Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that can be helpful, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, good. So that's the first task. Yeah, word count, it was around 150 to 225, but don't worry about that. You'll have it on the screen, so no
Uh-huh.
need to memorize that bit of information. And the final academic writing task, which is pretty new. So could
Uh-huh.
you, I think you probably visually remember the interface, yes?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
what will you have on your screen?
Um, well, first there's the professor introducing a topic and then
Mhm,
giving the question. And then
mhm,
on the side, we have 2 students giving their opinions, and they oppose each other.
mhm. Yeah, different opinions, yes.
Uh-huh.
So your task is to do what?
To give my own opinion.
Only that?
It can include also introduction or conclusion or both. Uh,
Yes.
yeah, and also include other students' opinions.
That's very important. If you fail to do that, you lose points. That's one of the main things you are expected to demonstrate. Yeah. Like demonstrate this ability that you can be part of the conversation. Yeah. Not just,
Yeah.
pushing your own opinion and that's it. Mm?
Mhm.
So be aware of that. And again, on the top left side, you explicitly have these 2 points mentioned. Yes. What you're expected to do. Yeah. Um, your opinion, yes, stating your opinion, but also like presenting the whole discussion. Yes. All right, that's it. Now we can go through your notes if you'd like to show us what you've
Sure.
got. Hmm?
Here.
Uh-huh. So let's see. Integrated topic lecture. Yes. Academic discussion, prof post. Yes. Student comments. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. All right. That's it. Cool. Now, let's wrap it up with most probably you will have some butterflies in your stomach,
Yeah.
maybe since the morning, yes, and while on your way. So what's your strategy? What are you going to do about anxiety, fear, emotion control?
On the way there, I will probably listen to some music to calm my brain. And when
Mhm.
I'm there, like you said, I will do breathing exercises, control my
Mhm.
breathing, focus on my breathing.
Yeah, yeah. Not even, that much controlling, but simply
Uh-huh.
following your breath. Yeah, simply following it. Once you start following, it gets a little deeper on its own. Because be careful, if you try to take like very big chunks of air into your lungs, yes, like very, very profound breaths, it may create some headache and discomfort. So don't do that, yeah, because your
Uh-huh.
body is not used to that. Just following your breath and also scanning your body, like feeling the energy in your hands, your feet. Yeah, just
Mm-hmm.
bringing your attention towards here and now. Yes, it can be your body, it can be your breath, just to keep calm. Yes, just to calm your emotions down.
Yeah.
So, regarding the restroom, if you want to go to the restroom, should you do it or should you panic and say, oh, what if I miss something? No, no, no.
No, I should use the restroom if I feel like it.
Yeah, yes, yes. Before the exam, you will wait in the corridor.
Mm-hmm.
So in the building, there are restrooms. Yeah, you should use them and come back. It takes time. Yeah, they take your photo, they take your fingerprint, they scan it. So you'll be fine. Will you have breaks during the test itself?
Um, no, no.
Mhm. So, but if you have, like, for instance, you had 10 minutes for your task and you're done on the seventh minute, will you be able to go out and do whatever you wish with those three
Yeah,
extra minutes? Yeah,
yeah.
that's possible. Yes. Yes, now that's possible. In the past, it was a little different. You had breaks, but now, yes. And should you click on the next, or on next if you want to use your time or not?
Use my time for breaks?
Yeah,
Oh, no, no, I shouldn't.
yes. If you click on next, your time is gone. Yes, you shouldn't.
Yeah.
If you still have 2 minutes on the timer, you can go out, do whatever, just walk. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So that your brain gets a bit relaxed. You could do some breathing exercise while sitting on your chair. Yeah, that's it.
Mm-hmm.
And if you remember, like with anxiety, you will have the little locker. What was my unusual, maybe, bit of advice on anxieties and fears? What could you do with these?
Put them away in the locker along with my other things.
Yes, yes, you can try that. Yes. Then
Yeah.
you can take them back if you want. If not, you can leave them there.
Oh, no, no, no,
So,
it's okay.
okay. Now, in 2 days, you'll pass your TOEFL exam
Mm-hmm.
at AUA, right? American
Yeah.
University for Armenia. All right. So, you will have your first two sections results on the screen. Yes, how much you got. Try to memorize that. And once you're out of the room, or yeah, the exam room, just write
Mm-hmm.
them down. Yeah, somewhere. You can just text me. Yeah, straight
Okay.
away. These results are normally accurate. Yeah. But the two
Mm-hmm.
other sections, you'll have your answers ready in a few days. So I'll wait forward to hearing from you on your test day. I
Mm-hmm.
wish you all the best. I
Thank
expect
you.
you to get at least 22, but I think you'll get more than 22. I assume between 22 and 26 overall. Oh, sorry, I'm speaking of sections. No, no, no. Overall, I expect you to get around like 80 is definite. 88, that should be. But between maybe 92 to 105, yes, I think you might get 95 plus. Yeah, 95
Oh,
plus and 105. So let's see how much you get. This is my forecast. So let's see if you get that much. So high five to you with my two hands. All the best
thank you.
and good luck.